Hello there guys, and welcome to what is going to be our first HTML tutorial. We're going to start a new series of HTML tutorials for beginners. This is an HTML tutorial. This is just an introduction to HTML, so you can get a better idea of how HTML operates and get some get the better idea of the basics of HTML. So for our tutorials, I'll be using Notepad++. You can use any other editor. Notepad will work. Notepad++ looks a little neater than Notepad, so I'll be using Notepad C++. You can use any fancier IDEs. Also, you can use Dreamweaver and Visual Studio and so on. But I'll be using Notepad. It's simple and basically, and it's free. So to waste no more time, we'll get started this tutorial. But let's go ahead and start by. I'm gonna go ahead and save this as. I'm gonna save it in my desktop and in my HTML here, HTML tutorials. So let's go ahead in here, and I'm gonna call this inside quotation marks intro .html. Once we save it, then put quotation mark around it. That means that's gonna tell Notepad, do not save it in the default .txt, save it as a HTML. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin by typing our code. We're gonna type doc type and HTML here, and let's go ahead underneath this, type HTML, and let's go ahead and type body, and I'm going to do the same thing here, and I'm going to type HTML. We'll go over the code at the end, so you guys don't have to worry if you don't understand now. Let's just go ahead and type our code now, and go ahead and type body here. Alright, inside of here I'm going to go ahead and type h1, and let's go ahead and put h1 again, and inside of this I'm going to say this is our intro tutorial, or I'm going to make it all uppercase. This is our intro tutorial to HTML, and underneath this I'm going to go ahead and type P1. Sorry, just not P1, just P. Let's go ahead and type P, and inside this I'm going to go ahead and type thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go ahead and save this guy, and let's go ahead and go over our code here. So the doc type here .html, what this specifies, it specifies the document type, what kind of document this is, and it's an HTML document. So we're telling the browser this is HTML. The browser knows what to look for and how to interpret the code. Inside our HTML tags here, we have our opening and our closings. We always need to have an opening and a closing. So we tell the browser where it starts and where it ends. This is HTML. And these are our HTML tags with telling it where the web page starts and it ends. The body tags here mean that this will be the body over our HTML page. So this our HTML page starts and ends here. Our body is included inside of that. So we have our opening tag and our closing tag here. So this is our body. This is where our body starts and ends. And inside our body we have everything else. So inside our body here, the h1 stands for our heading. So this will be the heading. It will be which we see in all the HTML pages. So this would be basically on top of the page. The first thing you'll see in bold and in about size in a very big size letters. And P here, yeah, we have also for the H and the H here we have our tags, the opening and closing tags, telling it where it starts and where it ends. And our P here, we also have the same thing, opening and closing tags. And P means a paragraph, so this is a paragraph, or so basically the text we want to have after the heading. So if we save this and go ahead and run it, you will, so if you save it and then go to the location where you saved it, and let's go ahead and double click on it right here, and we see what we get. So we get exactly, let me compare this side by side here, exactly what we have here. Our heading, we have our HTML page here, which is our page, and we have our body, which is contained inside whatever is the body of the HTML, and this is the body. We only have one heading, which is, this is our intro tutorial to HTML, and we have a paragraph. Well, in our case it's not a full paragraph, but it's only a line, but, and on our line we have the same thing. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so this was a quick intro tutorial to HTML. There will be a lot more tutorials coming up soon. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to watch all my other series of tutorials. They're very informative, and if you have any concerns or suggestions, please leave comments or send me a message. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel or haven't seen my other videos, please do that, guys. I will truly appreciate if you do that. And thank you for watching this tutorial. There will be more coming very soon, and stick around for more. So thank you for watching.